Hi there, in this video I will show you how to clean up Android storage and cache using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your device. Scroll down and find out software update. Tap on it. Tap on download and install. Make sure that your phone is up to date. If you found any available update for your device, then download and install it. After that, move back from here. Tap on device care. Tap storage. Tap on show more. As you can see here, my apps is showing 48.22 GB. I want to clean up some space from here. To do that, move back from here and tap on apps. Now search for the application that you are not using. Select unnecessary application from here. Tap on the application. Tap storage, tap clear cache, tap clear data, tap on delete. Move back and find out unnecessary application on your device. Then open it. Tap storage, tap clear cache, tap clear data, tap on delete. After completing the process, move back from here and go to the settings. Tap on device care. Tap on storage. Show more. Here you can see the size of my applications has decreased compared to before. That's it. Thanks for watching.